diamond ring for my queen. You gon' wait me till Jesus come. Why when I talk? Pocket full floss, money, honey. Forget about Suzanne. So since we don't have all the equipment like cameras and all this stuff, so just use one of the webcam from my computer. So we're gonna start with these tools and give people knowledge, because that's how they say, start with what you have, and then from there you're gonna elevate it. You're gonna elevate it, and things gonna propagate it, and excuse me, and things gonna improve slowly, because you can't reach down top before start from the bottom. Otherwise, then you're gonna break and start from bottom of phrase. So I'm gonna start with the tool that I have, this week. Go to before start from top player. Alright, brothers and sisters, so we're here live again on television camera, live and direct. So it's the first time, you have an equation, try to share with a lot of people. So let's get started with the question. So the question says simplify. So this is a matrix. So matrix, so in a matrix, these horizontal, we call them rows. So these are rows. So we have how many rows we have? First row, second row, third row. So we have 3 rows. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3. Now we go for columns. Columns, the one which is vertical. So how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3. So the first matrix, you have 3 rows which are horizontal line. The horizontal, and vertical we have 1, 2, 3. We have a 3 column. Second 3 column. So the second matrix, it has how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 rows. Second matrix, how many column? Only 1 column. So now the one has to multiply these terms here. That is, see how we can go. Just 1 minute question. So what we're going to do, whenever you multiply, remember, you always multiply rows times column. This is very important. Always multiply row to column. Now let's see how we can multiply. So we say, okay, let's multiply now. So we say, alright. So first row with everything. So we go 3, first one with the first one. 3 times 2 is going to give us 6. And they say plus. You're not done yet. Now you go this first row with a first column, row times column. 3 times 2, 6, and then you plus, because you're not done with all the line. 4 times 3, 12. You're not done yet. 0 times 1 is 0. So we're done. So first row with everything we're done. We go for the second row with everything. Now we go -2 times 2. So it's going to be -4, and then you plus 6 times 3, which is going to be equal to 18, plus -3 times 1, -3. Now you're done. Now you go to the last row with the column. So 7 times 2, 14. You plus now -4 times 3, -12. You plus 1 times 1 equal to 1. So brother and sister, the question is done. So what we're going to do here now, say 6 plus 12 plus 0 equal to 18. Now -4 plus 18, 14. -3, 11. Now we finish up. So 14 minus 12, because this is plus and minus minus. 14 minus 12 equal to 2, plus 1 equal to 3. So brother and sister, when you multiply all that given, you get 18. I think I made a little mistake. I feel like I made a little mistake. Let's see. Especially for this row here. Now let's multiply again the second row. -2 times 2, 4 is 2, -4. 6 times 3 is 18. Now you go -3 times 3 equal to -3. Right? So brother and sister, I think everything is correct. There's nothing wrong there. If this is the first time on my channel and you have an equation, you can leave a comment and try to share with a lot of people. Thanks a lot, man. Peace and love. Peace. So another time again, this is let me just show everybody so that everybody can see clearly. This is Mtwana Wabantu Academy. I'm saying, and the aim or the purpose of this program is everyone should access free, classic, quality education for all. Means the aim